Servicing is very, very important to a watch. We recommend every 3 to 5 years get your watch serviced. If you don't, the oils in the watch will dry up and then this causes damage to the movement. We are a Rolex accredited servicing centre, which means basically Rolex support us, they supply us spare parts. Our workshop is investigated and checked every year. We have one of the best technicians in the country who's worked at Patek Philippe Bond Street for 6 years. He worked at Cartier for 6 years. We've been fortunate to have him working for us for 14 years. Our workshop is beautifully kitted out with all state-of-the-art equipment. Because of this, we can give a very strong guarantee whenever we sell a second-hand watch. If anything goes wrong, you bring it back to us. If it's a quick repair, we can do it in-house. If it's a serious repair, we then recommend a service and overhaul, which is a gradual process which takes 8 to 10 weeks. Whichever way, we are totally professional in our aftercare service. Once the client gives us permission to service his watch, it's quite a joy watching Ian do it. He will examine the watch, he will take the back off, he will take the movement out. All the parts of that watch will be taken out on his table. He will clean, oil and prepare all the parts. He will polish the case. He will polish the bracelet if it's got a bracelet. He will put new rubber seals in. He will reassemble the watch. A new glass if it's needed. He will pressure test it for it being waterproof. And then he will put it on test for 4 days for timekeeping. Once it's gone through all these processes, we then regard the watch as ready to be given back to the client.